So in this lecture we are discuss about the exercise number 14.3, question number 4. So in question 1 to 3 we can see that what? Find the median, and if the median is given then find the missing frequency. So these both methods are very important according to our exam point of view. So in today's lecture we can discuss our question number 4 from exercise 14.3. So first of all we can read that question. The length of 40 leaves, so total leaves is given 40, of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So it is given table. So they are asking find the median length of the leaves. So they are asking find the median length. So but question number 4 is some different from all other sum. How? See that class range, class size. So here we can see that what? 118 to 126, then 127. So it is not a continuous form. Clear? So in exercise 14.1 we have on the same question, but in this question they are asking find the mean, and that question they are asking find the median. But both sum have one similarity, and which similarities? Both sum have the continuous range. So if you want to make the continuous range, so here from lower limit we can subtract 0.5, and in upper limit we can add 0.5. So like that 117.5 to 126.5, then 126.5 to 135.5, then 135.5 to 144.5, then 144.5 to 153.5, then 153.5 to 162.5. Similarly we can get 171.5 to 180.5. So now it is in continuous. See 126, then 126, 135, 135, like that. So it is a similar, it is continuous range. So if data is not given to the continuous class, so we need to change into the continuous class by adding 0.5 to the upper limit and subtract 0.5 from a lower limit. Clear? Now number of leaf it is given. Now how can we find the CF? 0.3. Then add these both, 0.3 plus 5, 0.8, sorry, 3 plus 5 it is 8. Then 8 plus 9, so it will be 17, 17 plus 12, so it will be 27, 29, 29 plus 5, so it will be 34, 34 plus 4, 38, and 38 plus 2, it will be 40. And the addition of this all n, or it is also called sum of frequency, it is given 40, it is given here, this 40. So we are starting with n by 2, so n it is a 40, so 40 divided with 2, so answer it is 20. Now see this column, so 20 is between these two, so we are selecting that column. So it is our F, it is our CF, and this is our L, this is our L. Clear? Now we are putting our formula. What is the formula for median? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Clear? So now what is the value of L? It is 144.5 plus n by 2, it is 20, CF it is 17, F it is 12, and how can we find the height? Upper limit minus lower limit. So 126.5 minus 100.175, so 0, 16 minus 7, 9, 1 minus 1, 0, so it will be 9. Clear? It is 9. So here we are writing 9. Now 144.5 plus, it will be 3 into 9 upon 12, because 20 minus 17 it is 3, and it is multiplied with 9. So 3 4s are 12. So 144.5 plus 9 divided with 4. Now perform the subdivision. So 4 2s are 8. So here we have a 1. 4 2s are once again 8. So we have a 2. Once again we will put 0. So 4 5s are. So answer it is 2.25. Now add these both. 144.5 plus 2.25. So it is 146.75. So what is the value of median? 146.75 millimeter. Now we are going to our next term. So in the next term, question number 5. The following table gives the distribution of a lifetime of a 400 neon bulbs. So total bulb it is given 400. So we can write n is equal to 400. It is also called sum of frequency. It is given. Next, find the median life of a lamp. So first of all, we are starting from here, n by 2. So 400 divided with 2, so it will be 200. We can also find the CF. How can we find the CF? 14. Then 14 plus 56, so 10. 5 plus 70. 70 plus 60, 130. 130 plus 86. So 130 plus 86. So it will be 216. Once again we can add 74. So 290. 290 plus 62. So it will be 352. 352 plus 48. So it will be 400. We can erase this. Next. So it is 400. Now we are putting our formula. So 200. See this column. 200 is between these two. So we are select that column. So this is our L, this is our L, it is our F, and it is our CF. And how can we find the height? Height is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. So it will be 500. Clear? Now we are using the formula of median. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So what is the L? It is 3000 plus n by 2 200 minus CF 130 upon F it is 86 into height it is 500. Now simplify this. So 3000 plus 70 upon 86 into 500. Now divide. So here we have a 35. So here we have a 43. So now 35 5s. 35 5s. 5 3s are 15 plus 175. So 175 divide with 43. Clear? So now perform the division. 43 divided with 17,500. So we are starting with 5s. 5 3s are 15, 20 plus 1. So it will be more. So you can start with 4s. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 16 plus it is 172. So we can start with 4s. 43 4s are 172. So here once again we will put 0. So 300. Now we can check with 8s. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. So 34. So 7s are 7 3s are 21. 28 plus 2 30. So 301. So we can check with 6s. 6 3s are 18. 24 plus 1 25. So 258. 6s. Next. So 10. Here we have a 2, 9, 4, and it is 0. Now we will putting point. So here we have a 0. So 420. So 9s are 43 9s are. We can check with 9s are 43 9s are. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 32 plus 32 plus 2. So it is 30. No. 9 3s are 27 2. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2 38. So we can start with 9s are. It will be 387. So 1 11 11 minus 8 3 33. Once again we will put 0. So 330. So it will be 7s are 301. So approximately answer is 3000 plus 406.97. So add this. So 3406.97. So it is a value of median. Clear? 14.3 question number 6. So 100 surnames were randomly picked up from the local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of number of letter in the English alphabet in a surname was obtained as follow. So the table is given and already saying that the total number it is 100. So here we can put 100. Then next they are asking determine the median number of letter. So first of all we need to find out the median and also find the mean. So we also need to find out the value of mean number of letter in the surname, and also find the model size, means mode. So it means what? In this sum we need to find out the three things: mean, mode and median. So we are starting with median, and we are also using that formula. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 into mean. So we can directly find out the value of mean from this formula. We cannot using assume mean or a step deviation method. So it is very lengthy sum. Clear? So first of all we can find out the median. So for that we can need to find out the cumulative frequency. So 6, then 36, then 76, then 92, 96, and it is 100. Now n by 2. So 100 divided with 2. So it will be 50. So 50 is between these two. So we are selecting that column because 36 and 76. So 50 is between that. So it is our F, it is our CF, it is our L. And how can we find the height? Height is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. So answer it is 3. So now we are using our formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Next. So what is the value of L? It is 7 plus n by 2. It is 50. CF 36. F 40, and height it is 3. Now simplify this. So it will be 14 divided with 40 into 3. So here 7s are. So here we have a 20. So 7 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 20. So we are performing the division. So 21s are 20, so we have a 1 as our remainder. Once again we will put 0. So 100, so 25s are, it is 100. So what is our answer? 1.05. So it is 8.05. So value of median, it is 8.05. Now we can find out the model. So what is the formula for mode? L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 F0 F2 into H. So see this column. So where is the maximum number of frequency? It is here 40. So it is become F1, it is F0, and it is F2. So it is become over L, and height is already given. So what is the value of L? 7. F1 it is 40, F0 it is 30 minus 2 in bracket 40 minus 30 minus F2 it is 16 into 3 because height. Now simplify this, 40 it is 10 into 3, so 80 minus minus become plus, so 46 into 3, so 7 plus 10 3 it is 30 upon 80 minus 46, 80 minus 46, so 10 4 here we have a 7 minus 3 it is 34. So now simplify this, 30, so here we have a 15, here we have a 17, so 15 divided with 17. Now perform the division. So here first of all we can put 0. Now 17 9s are 153, 17 8s are, we can check with 8s are. So 17 8s are 56, is a 8 plus 5 it is 13, so it is 136, so 8s are. So here we have a 14, once again we will put 0, so 8s are. So approximately answer is 0.88. So answer for a mode it is 7.88. Now last portion of that, first of all we can find the median, then mode, and now remaining portion it is mean. So for a mean we are using that formula, 3 into median is equal to mode plus 2 into mean. So 3, what is the value of median? So median it is 8.05, mode it is 7.88 plus 2 into mean. So now 8.05 3s are, so 15 1, so 0 and 8 3s are 24, so 24.15, 7.88 plus 2 into mean. Now subtract 24.15 minus 7.88, so 15 minus 8 it is 7 0, so 10, here we have a 3, so 10 minus 8 it is 2 3, so 13 minus 7, so it will be 6, and here we have a 1, so 24.15 minus 7.88 is equal to 2 into mean. So answer it is 16.27. Now 16.27 mean is equal to 16.27, it is divided with 2 because this 2 is going second side, so it will be in the denominator term. Now perform the division. So 2 8s are 16, 0 0, here we have a point, 2 1s are 2, here next we have a 7, 2 3s are 6, so we have 1 and 2 5s are, so answer it is 8.135, so it is answer for a mean. So in examination you can directly find the mean by using that formula only, because if you are using the step deviation method or assume mean method, so it will be very lengthy sum. So in board examination, if they are asking the three things in a one sum, so at that time first of all you need to find out the median and mode. From median and mode you can directly find out the mean by using that formula. Now the last sum of that exercise, question number 7, the distribution of the weights of 30 students, so it means sum of all it will be 30 of a class. So find the median wage of the student, so we need to find the value of median. Clear? So first of all we can start with n, so n divided with 2, so 30 divided with 2, so it will be 15. Now 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 6 25, 28 and 30. So 15 is between these two, so we are selecting that column, row, actually it is row, so it is become our F, it is our CF, and that value become is our L. And how can we find the height? Upper limit minus lower limit, so answer it is 5. Now what is the formula for a median? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into H. So what is the value of L? It is 55. N by 2, it is 15. Cf 13. F 6 into height. Height it is 5. So 55. 2 upon 6 into 5. So 2 3s are 6. So 55 plus 5 divided with 3. So 3 divided with 5. So 3 1s are 3. So here we will put 0. 3 6 are 18. So it will be 666. 5.1.666. So answer it is 56.666. So what is the value of median? 56.66. So it is the answer for that value of median. So same sum in this exercise we can learn the two things. First of all, find the median. So for a median we are using that formula. And if they are asking the three things in a one sum like mean, mode and median, so at that time we are using that format only. And second thing you must remember in this exercise, if median is given and from a median you can also find out the missing frequency. So it is our question number 2 in from exercise 14.3. So we have actually two types of sum in a 14.3. One, it is find the median, and second, if median is given then find the value of missing frequency.